Hey everybody, so in this video we're going to look at solving equations that have four terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Generally we'll see these with the format of two terms on each side. Now again, like before, what we want to have is x terms on the left hand side, or any other letter, variables, and the right hand term we want to have our constants, or our normal numbers. So if we look at that, this x here is where it should be, but this x here is not. It should be over on the other side. Our 3 here should actually be on the right hand side where we keep the constants, and the 11 is where it's supposed to be. It's on the right hand side with the constants. So again, we want the x's on the left hand side, and we want the constants on the right side, our 3 and our 11. So I'm going to have to move the 3 and the 2x to the opposite side. The 3 is going to go to the right hand side, the 2x is going to go to the left hand side. So I'm just going to rewrite what I have here. I'm going to keep the 4x where it is, and I'm going to keep the 11 where it is. 2x is going to move over to the opposite side, and when it changes over, we know by now it becomes a minus 2x. Our 3 is going to also change over to the opposite side, and when it changes side, it also changes its sign, so it's become a minus 3. On the left hand side, we're going to simplify it now, and we're going to simplify the right hand side too. So 4x take away 2x. If you have 4 of anything and you take away 2 of that thing, you're left with 2. So 4x take away 2x leaves us with 2x. On the right hand side, 11 take away 3 is 8. Now, we're going to try and get rid of that 2 in front of the x so we can find what x is. So if 2x is equal to 8, we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. This will cancel out our 2 on the left hand side, so we're left with x. On the right hand side we have 8 divided by 2, or 4. So x is equal to 4 is our answer there. Second example we're going to look at is 3x plus 25 is equal to 7x minus 3. So again, we want the x terms to be on the left hand side, or if it was a different variable, we want that other letter to be on the left hand side. Our constants should be on the right hand side. So that means that 25 is going to have to move over to the right hand side, and 7x is going to have to go over to the left, right? Again, we want the letters on the left, normal numbers on the right. So we're going to rewrite this with all the x's on the left. 3x is going to stay on the left, 7x is going to come over, and its sign has to change when it comes over. On the right side, minus 3 is going to stay where it is, and our 25 is going to come over, and its sign is going to change to make it a minus 25. So again, the ones that have changed there, the 7x has come over from the opposite side, and the 25 has come over from the opposite side. So then if we have 3x and take away 7x, we're left with minus 4x. If we have minus 3 and we take away 25, we're left with minus 28. Again, we want to get rid of the minus 4 in front of that x. So the way we do that is divide both sides by minus 4. This will cancel out the minus 4 on the left hand side, so we're just left with x. And then on the right hand side, minus 28 divided by minus 4 will give us 7. Because a minus divided by a minus gives us a plus.